let's talk about evaluating expressions and substitution. Remember, evaluating means that you want to solve a problem down to a single number. So what does substitution mean? When you have an expression that has a variable, remember variable is a letter that represents a number, then you want to take that number, that variable, out of the expression and put in a number and then solve it all the way down. So here we have m plus 3. This is a pretty simple expression, but we are told to substitute m equals 3. Now remember, equals means m is the same as 3. So when we see m, we're going to take it out and substitute 3. So I can rewrite this sentence as 3 because remember, m is equal to 3 or is the same as, and then I have this plus 13. Well, it's not evaluated yet because evaluated means it's one number. So 3 plus 13 gives us 16. We have a single number. We have evaluated this expression substituting m equals 3. Here we see m again. Now we're still going to use m equals 3, and so we're going to leave everything else alone. We're going to rewrite it. We're going to have negative 40. We're going to substitute 3 in for m, and then we have plus 17. We're going to go ahead and we're going to simplify this here. 3 plus 17, we know that that is 20, so we're going to leave the top alone for a minute. Last step is actually do the division of negative 40 divided by 20. And that gives us negative 2. So we have evaluated this expression when m is the same as or equal to 3. All right, so sometimes you get expressions where you have the variable in more than one place. That doesn't matter. Every time that you see that variable, you take it out and substitute in the value that you're given. So let's have a look at what that looks like. So here we have this expression, and notice that here we have an x, here we have an x. We're told to substitute for x equal to 3. So we're going to take the x's out, and we're going to put in, substitute a 3. Everything else is going to stay the same for a minute. So negative 10, we're going to take that x out, substitute in a 3. 27 plus, again, take the x out, substitute in 3. And we're going to solve, we're going to simplify actually first. 3 minus 6. So remember when we subtracted our integers and positive and negative, 3 minus 6 gives us negative 3. 27 plus 3 is going to give us 30. Now I'm going to carry over here because I'm running out of room. Now I have negative 10 times negative 3. And notice we've been following our order of operations. And that's very important in any question you do. And that's why I've done it this way. So negative 10 times negative 3 gives us positive 30. And divided by 30, and that gives us 1. So this expression is evaluated for x equal to 3, and we get 1. And that is your lesson on evaluating expressions and substitution.